Okay, here is lesson 16 from module 5. I think this one's actually pretty quick and easy. So they start off with word form, but really we're just talking 3/5 minus 1/5, and I think we did a lot of this in class. So we are just subtracting, and we know the denominator stays the same. So I just went ahead and wrote down all the answers. Pause this and you can check your own. 0/10 would also just be 0. So the next part is the same, but we come up with some improper fractions, which means the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 9/8, they're saying that's 8/8 plus 1/8. The 8/8 makes 1. So that's why it gets to be 1 and 1/8. So 12/5 minus 12/6 minus 5/6 is 7/6. And they want us to show that 6/6 is 1. 1 more 6 makes 7/6. So this is 1 and 1/6. So this would be 6/5, which is 5/5 plus 1 more 5th. So 1 and 1/5. This one we get 11/8. 8/8 plus 3 more 8ths equals 1 and 3/8. Let me see, 8/4 minus 2/4, that is 6/4. So 4/4 plus 2 more 4ths, 1 and 2/4. So we got 12/10. Whoops. 12/10. 10/10 plus 2 more 10ths. So 1 and 2/10. So we need to write the sum in unit form. So 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. 5/5 plus 3/5, 4/5 plus 3/5 is 7/5, and this is where they want us to say that is the same as 1 and 2/5. Here we've got 7/8 and 9/12. Here we're adding and getting those numbers that are improper again, and we're converting it to a mixed number. So 4/4 and 3/4 is 7/4, which is 4/4 plus 3/4. So this equals 1 and 3/4. We could actually see it right here. The 1 was right there. 6/9 and 6/9 is 12/9. So 9/9 plus 3/9. So 1 and 3/9. And last we've got 13/10. 10/10 plus 3/10. So it's 1 and 3/10. You know, just in case you were doing some simplifying, I'll go ahead and put those in there. 1 and 1/3, because I can divide this by 3/3. This one would be 3/4, because I can divide that also by 3/3. Seems like there was one back here. Oh yeah, this is 1 and 1/2. 1 and 1/5. Divide them both by 2. Any more? Nope. Okay, finishing up 6. 5/6 plus 7/6 equals 12/6. And this, we've got 6/6 plus another 6/6, so it is 2. Let's see, we've got 14/8. 8/8 plus 6 more 8s, so 1 and 6/8. simplify that to 1 3/4 by dividing these by 2/2. Number 7, solve and use a number line to model our answer. Okay, so got to draw a number line real quick. This be 0. These are all going to be fourths: 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4. Here's 7/4. And then we're going backwards 5/4. So we are going backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which would put us right here, which is equal to 2/4. And one more number line. Here's 0. I'm doing fourths again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's 4/4. That's 1. And 5/4. 5/4. And then here, backing up 2/4. 1, 2. And that would put us at 1, 2, 3/4. And I think, yep, that's it. That is the end of lesson